Welcome to the North Carolina State University Geospatial Modeling course MEA 582. This video will show you how to get started with GRASS GIS. Start GRASS by clicking on the GRASS icon. Then select your GIS data directory. You can browse to find the correct path. Then select project location and then accessible map sets, and we will create a new map set to store the data and maps created in this course. Let's call it coursework. And let's now start GRASS. This will open GRASS Layer Manager. Let's first set the computational region, the spatial extent of our study area. We will find it under Settings, Region, Set Region, and we will set the region from predefined file Southwest Wake at 30-meter resolution. Let's switch off the close dialog and let's switch on printing. After run, we will get the parameters of this region, the coordinates, the resolution, and the number of rows and columns. We can close the window now, and you can run this command also through Search Module, Settings, Region, Set Region. Double click will open the GUI, or you can run the command through Command Console just by typing g.region. You can select it, and then when you type enter, you will get the panel for this command. So now let's go back to map layers and let's view some data. We can add raster map layer, and we will display elevation map. Now to see the map in our computational region, we will zoom to computational region. We have several options there. So here is our elevation map. Now we can display this elevation map as a shaded map, and we will display it using the command console. In your assignments, you have the full command, so you can copy and paste this command and then enter to run it. And here is the shaded elevation map. Now we can find out what is the minimum and maximum elevation in this file. Enter. So we want to know it for elevation, and we want only range. So let's just click it here. So here we have the minimum elevation, about 55 meters, and maximum elevation. Now let's add some vector data. Add vector. streets wake. Okay. And vector. Roads major. And we will display them in red color. And a little bit thicker line. So here is our belt line. And then let's also display some point data, and in our case schools. So add vector, schools, and we will select symbol, and we want circle, and we want to change the size to 10 pixels and change the fill color to blue. Let's add scale bar. Here, and let's add legend, elevation, and let's now save the map. So you can select how big the map will be, and then you can select where you want to put it. And it will be stored as PNG file. There are some other options as well. And now we will also look at three-dimensional visualization. And we can run the visualization command, let's say here from search module, file, and vis, double click. We get the interface. Let's select elevation and run. And this will open a separate graphical user interface for the visualization module. So let's make the window a little bit bigger. Don't worry about this. We will just redraw it. We will adjust the height. Zoom in a little bit. We will explain how to use this module in the separate video. So let's just quit. And now you should be able to start using GRASS. We will exit. You can store your current settings to workspace file.